How to block users on TikTok. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick way to be able to block users on TikTok. Okay, first off, go to the TikTok app. Then if you'd like to block somebody specific from TikTok, then you just search for their profile. I'm just going to block this person here, the first one on the home screen. So I'm going to do that by clicking on his username and go into his profile. Next, in the top right hand corner, you'll see the three little dots. I'm just going to click on those. And then down the bottom, you just click on block. And then click confirm. And then that user's blocked. Now, if you'd like to go to see which users you've blocked on TikTok and actually unblock them, so you go back to your profile. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Next, click on privacy. Then you can just scroll down where it says blocked accounts. Click on that one. And you can see this is the profile I've just blocked. And if I want to unblock them, I just check unblock. And now that person's unblocked. And that's all it takes to block and unblock users on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.